If you're looking to disable automatic restrictions on your Amazon Prime account, follow these simple steps to manage your settings effectively. Step 1. Log into your Amazon accounts. Visit the Amazon website or open the app and sign in with your credentials. Make sure you are using the account associated with your Prime membership. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Account and List menu located at the top right corner of the page. Click on your account to access the account settings. Step 3. Go to Content and Devices. In your account settings, find and click on Content and Devices. This section allows you to manage your digital content and device settings related to your Amazon account. Step 4. Manage parental controls. Within the Content and Devices section, look for Settings and then find Parental Controls. Click on it to view your current restrictions and settings. Step 5. Disable automatic restrictions. In the Parental Controls settings, you can adjust the restrictions. Look for the option that allows you to disable automatic restrictions and toggle it off. Save your changes before exiting. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and disable automatic restrictions on your Amazon Prime account. Enjoy your viewing experience.